If I had to pick my two favorite parts of owning the KitchenAid Ice Cream Mixer, it would be one, I get to work with whatever fresh ingredients that I want, like seasonal strawberries always taste so good. I've also grilled mangoes and then popped them in my ice cream. And the second thing is I know exactly how many ingredients are in my ice cream. I can make it with organic milks and dairy, and although I'll always throw candy in there or some peanut butter, honestly, like I love just making homemade ice cream from scratch. It's super easy and ready in about 30 minutes. If you love homemade ice cream too, the KitchenAid Ice Cream Attachment is a must-have, especially if you already own a KitchenAid power mixer. I bought it to make that thick creamy ice cream that I dreamt about, and it takes, like I said, only about 30 minutes, and you can choose whatever flavors you'd like. Homemade cookies and cream has become a favorite with us. Also, some peanut butter cup, and also using those fresh strawberries and mangoes, like I've said, is so good. Most of the recipes I use only take about 6 ingredients, and so you can enjoy your favorite flavors, create new ones. And thanks to the dasher, the part that connects the machine to the ice cream bowl, it really ensures that it's mixing and freezing evenly. I kind of loaded it up a little bit heavy in that last image, but basically all you do is you freeze the ice cream bowl for at least 4 hours up to overnight, and it has a liquid inside that turns to ice. And so when you take it out to mix the ice cream batter together and freeze it, that bowl stays super cold, and that's how it turns it into ice cream. So it's easy to use, easy to clean. I find it really great for making small batches of ice cream that last us a week or two. Definitely economical when you compare it to buying ice cream at the store. And if you're interested in making ice cream at home, I definitely recommend it.